Hi there, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you about another NURBS surface. NURBS is an acronym that you don't need to know except for the BS in it, which stands for B-spline, and we're actually going to do quite a bit of things with splines right now because I'm going to explain the loft. Now the loft is actually asking you for multiple splines in a specific order. So, for instance, I can just introduce a circle and introduce whatever, an end side, and let's move this back a bit, and I'll just drop these two side by side into the loft NURBS. Take note, when you drop things into your loft, this is okay. If I drop it like this, it won't do a thing because these need to be brother and sister. So this is what we have, and I can actually make basically anything with lofts because I can still edit at point level. For instance, I made the circle editable, so I hit the C, and if I just click on a point in point mode, I can just move this in and change this whole surface. The possibilities are endless, so try them out.